Software Spring. Presents. How to name a range in Google Sheets. Hello folks. Greetings. Welcome to the tutorial on how to name a range, and the benefits of doing so. Here are the two objectives of this tutorial. Compare two lists using COUNTIF, without naming the range. Compare two lists using COUNTIF by naming the range. Alright, let's compare the two lists. First, without naming the range. I will type the COUNTIF formula in this cell. For the range, I will select this area. Note that I am using the cell address, and not a name, for the range. For the criterion, I will click this cell. The reason is, we want to find items in Store 2, that are not in Store 1. Press Enter. I will copy the formula to these cells. Let's randomly check 3 results. The first item is not in Store 1, so, the result is correct. This item is in Store 1, yet the result is incorrect. This item too is in Store 1, the result, however, is incorrect. What's the reason for incorrect output? It's because the address of the range has changed. For example, let's look at the address of this item. The address should have been cell A2 to A10. But the address is cell A5 to A13. Let's solve this problem by giving a name to this range and using it in the COUNTIF formula. An absolute address also solves this problem, but using a name for a range is more efficient. First, select this range. Click Data. Click Named Ranges. Type the range name here. I will name the range as Store 1. Click Done. Now, I will type again the COUNTIF formula, this time, in this cell. For the range, type S, T, and select Store 1. For the criterion, as before, I will click this cell. Press Enter. Alright, let me copy the formula to these cells. Okay, as before, let's randomly check 3 results. Earlier, the formula had returned 0 for this item. After we use the name for the range, instead of its relative address, the formula has correctly returned 1, as this item is in Store 1. For this item too, the formula has now returned the correct data. Lastly, this result is also correct, because this item is in Store 1. Going forward, here's another benefit of a named range. You can perform a task a bit easier and faster. Here's an example. First, let me create a column of numbers, with the header, stock. I will select the entire column, and name this range as stock. Say, I want to sum this column. All I need to do is to enter the sum formula as equal to sum stock. Alright, let me type this formula in this cell. Press Enter. There you go. A named range makes it easier and faster to do a task. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.